is me.
Hi.
And this is Amy, and we're working on an urban gardening with children little project today. And so, what the project we're going to be working on is transforming this empty container into arugula and microgreens. Microgreens, we've heard a lot about microgreens, and so we don't want to tell you all the stuff we heard about it because we heard a lot of good stuff about it. But we'll tell you more about the good stuff, and we also have the dirt, the good dirt. So, we're going to begin working on this project here. So, I can't do it with just one hand. So I got one hand here, but the other hand holding the phone. So maybe I could put the tripod up or something. But
Or pause it.
Or pause it. Yeah, I'll just pause it. All right, see you in a little bit. So right now we have the yummy dirt smell. Smell that yummy dirt.
Smells nice.
Smell that fresh dirt. So what we're gonna take some of this nice dirt and we're gonna start filling it up into these pots here. So there's several ways you could do this. The way I like to do it, just kind of pour it all up in there. Just pour that sucker all up in there. Just pour that jammy right in there. There you go. Take it. Own it. Own that dirt. See, this dirt is like, think of what the Bible said. God made man from the dust of the earth. Dust of the ground. Dust of the flat earth. Alright, so here it goes.
So just put it in each of the sections.
Yes, and these are really good sections. These are the hexagonals.
Yeah.
Hexagons.
So just basically put a whole bunch of dirt and then you spread it out to each of the seed areas. We're doing this in the kitchen, so obviously we want to get it everywhere, but it's still so cold outside, So just kind of fill up every little thing, and it's okay to get dirt in your fingernails.
Yes. I'm just gonna put it in your eye like this. Ah! You don't do that. Don't put dirt in your eyes.
Okay, now it's gonna get a little harder with
the ones. Quarters?
Yeah, the ones.
Well, then just put them on top in the center, and we'll just kind of mush them out.
Yeah.
All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna try and grow some microgreens up in this thing here. We have we got a really cool light. It's a really cool light, and we are really excited about it. We'll show it to you in a little bit. It's like a light that grows plants automatically. Just
LED.
pops it right up. It's LED, so it doesn't get hot.
Yeah.
Well, that's what they say on the edge of the packaging.
Yeah, I mean. With love and gardening.
Love and gardening.
Yay! Okay. Okay.
Shout out to John Brown High School. Alright. Agriculture program.
Oh!
I spilled on you.
Well, we knew that would kind of happen.
Spill on you.
Okay, so it looks like it's got it almost in every little angle. Okay.
Alright, well, this little corner here needs some love.
Let's see. Some of the top can be spread over.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, some over there. Okay, what about the other edges here?
Okay, so put some of the rest of the top into that edge here there. Okay, so what we got, let me show you real quick. We have is this. We got all of the rows all covered and all filled up. All of the 72 encapsulated 72 items filled right there. So I'm gonna just put you back here now. Gonna put you back here now. Put you back on the queen.
Okay.
And the king.
Okay, pause it.
Pause.
What?
Hey folks. Okay, so what we have here, right, is this is the microgreens, and you can see the microgreen seeds in there. Microgreen seeds is a mix of different seeds. That's the microgreen seeds. It's the mix of different seeds. All right, so and what are yours? Show yours.
Mine are arugula, rocket, organic, very little, very little. I don't know if you see that. See, very little. If you look and.
All right, so what we're gonna do is that
look.
Amy's gonna.
Here, very little
this
seeds.
This is mine.
I don't know if you can see it.
Just have to like
Yeah, little,
Kind of take the camera and look.
Look. Very, very, very little.
Yep.
Baby seeds.
Here's my.
This is a mix of different seeds.
It's a mix of different seeds. So there's our seed there.
So I'm gonna do this side of what's it called?
I'm gonna be on the right side, and he's gonna be on the left side. So we're gonna go ahead and just put that jammy in there.
Are you doing one at a time?
One at a time.
Why one at a time?
That's how you plant.
I'm gonna do two in one little pocket.
2.
Just in case one doesn't grow.
3. 4.
Okay. So
if I run out, I'll come back. So we're gonna do this whole side. Wait, is this one packet you want to do? I'm gonna do 2 packets. Alright, and so just putting them in there, putting the seeds in there, and then putting the seeds in there, stuffing them down.
So I know that I did that one.
Seeds are in there.
So at least I know that I did that one.
Stuffing them down.
So maybe I should poke a hole. Yeah, maybe I should poke a hole and then do that. Poke a little hole. Poke a little hole. And then put the little seeds in there.
Pause it right now. I'll be right back. We'll be right back.
So we're still putting seeds in the little holes.
Yep, almost done.
And then I used a little paint brush, and I poke a hole and then put the seeds in, and then I would just cover it up after I put the seeds in. Okay.
I just use my fingers, and you can't see me, but see, I use my fingers, and I just kind of, when I finished it, I just go ahead and just cover it up very lightly with my fingers. All the holes I just did. Put it back so you can see.
Okay, and then I would just cover it up. I'm gonna put like 2 little seeds.
So we're gonna mist it.
Did you use the whole pack?
The whole pack.
Okay.
So we have a whole nother pack left, right?
No, we have like 4.
Wow, we have a lot of packs left over. Okay,
yeah,
so
because I thought we could get more lights.
All right, so let's see what we could do. I always have a philosophy: before you do 2, do 1. 1 before 2.
I might have missed a couple. I don't. So we'll just see what grows. What grows, then we'll see which ones don't grow. And if they don't grow, then we replant in that area. Because, you know, everything that, what's it called? Oh, I got a lot more.
Oh, wow.
Look.
Yeah, you do.
That's a lot.
Alright, so now I guess we water it a little bit.
Yeah. So.
Get some purified water. Pause it.